Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Tanya and today I'm sure you can see the big box that I've already kept with me. So yes guys, today we are going to do a Nykaa haul. So I've got like literally all the essentials that I use on like daily basis. So I have recently got those products from Nykaa and we'll quickly be going to do the unboxing of these products and let's see what all I've got and at what prices and obviously what are the basic essential things that I use on a daily basis. So let's without wasting any time, let's get started. So now I'm like super excited to open it. So I'm just gonna open it in front of you guys. I mean, of course, I have already broken the seal of this product already, but I wanted to do the unboxing thing with you. So these are the products that I have got for myself, and there are in all 11 products that I have got. So let's just quickly check out each product one by one, and also I'll let you know that why I use those products. So I don't know from where to start, how to start, so I'll just pick a random product and we'll start doing the unboxing thing. So I'm just seeing the camera, and okay, the first thing that I have picked up from my box is it's a Nykaa Buff Master. So basically it's a silicone brush cleaner. As you can see the packaging of this product, it's from Nykaa and it is priced at $2.99 and I got it for $2.99 only, so there was no discount available. So there are a few steps also that is mentioned, so just in case you want to see a tutorial on how to clean the brushes, then let me know. Meanwhile, I'll just open the product for you guys. So something that's how the product looks. So as you can see, this part, I'm not sure if it's visible to you, but now I think it will be. So this part has a rough base basically to clean your brushes, and you can actually hold it like this and you can clean your brushes like this. So it's a very easy step to clean your brushes, and one, it's a silicone body, so you can easily clean this also. So I think I absolutely wanted something to clean my brushes because I usually do a lot of makeup stuff. So I tend to clean my brush on a very regular basis, like after every week I try to clean it. So I always wanted something for that, and it's a cute color also at the same time. So yes, I'm loving this product. So let's just pick the second product that I will try. Okay, so this is again a very exciting product. So it's a crazy color and it's in the shade violet, that is number 43, and it's a semi-permanent hair color cream that I have got. So I'll just show you the bottle quickly. So that's how the bottle looks, and above all, if I talk about its price, and it is priced at $750, but I got it for ₹675, so it was on discount. So when I got it, and I will soon be doing a I will actually do the color and I'll show you the final results, how will this look. So please stay tuned for my channel to get an update on my hair color. So I'm very excited to use it, and crazy colors are something that you can use it very nicely on your hair, and it will actually stay for quite a long time. So it's really nice. So now let's just quickly move on to the third product. Okay, so this is Tulips Refreshing Wet Wipes, and it has 20 wipes in it. So it was priced at ₹60, but I got it for ₹51. So I'll just show it to you quickly. So that's how the product looks, and I think on a daily basis when I have to remove my makeup or have to do stuff like that which needs a lot of cleaning, I usually prefer and go with these kind of wipes because because since I use it on a daily basis, so I think these are pretty good, and it has summer fresh and it comes in fragrance also, and it also says that it's alcohol free and it is pH balanced, so it doesn't really harm my skin that bad. Actually doesn't harm at all. So these are a must things that a person should have, so I always carry it. So I absolutely abide by this product. So this is the third product from my box. Okay, so moving on. Okay, so this is the fourth product, that is Nykaa Natural Saffron and Honey Face Wash. So firstly I'll just show you the product. How does that product looks? So that's how the product looks, and it is priced at ₹139, but I got it for ₹118. So again, it was also on discount, and since it is saffron and honey, so it helps cleaning your skin. Not only cleaning your skin, but honey has the properties to soften your skin also. So I wanted to try this one from Nykaa, so this is the product that I will start using it from now on, and will let you know about the results also. So yes, I have got this product. Moving on to my next product. Okay, so this is Be Safe Toilet Seat Sanitizer Spray, and it says it's in the flavor lavender. So I'll just show you the product first. So this is the product, and it is priced at 120 rupees, and I got it for 120 rupees only. So there are a lot of people who tend to travel a lot, and I usually do not like using the washrooms outside, but there are times when you have to do it, right? So in that case, it is always important to sanitize those sheets and everything. So it's a very simple step. You just have to keep it in your bag very nicely. It will fit in like very easily, and you just have to open it, and you just have to spray it on the sheet, and you just can wait for like 2, 3, 5 seconds, and you can just use the washroom. So it will definitely help you, till certain point of time. It will help you to protect from all the bacteria and germs and everything that is there on the sheet. So I think Be Safe is something that every girl should have in their bag. So I always keep this product in my bag, because no matter whatever the situation is, you don't know whatever comes across, but you should always have this product, because it's actually a savior, guys. And sometimes it was like mentally also, there are a lot of things that are connected, so I cannot go without this product. So yes. So moving on to my next product, okay, is this L'Oreal Celui Expert Absolute Repair Shampoo. That's how the bottle looks. So I've been using this shampoo for quite a long time now, because there was this point in time during lockdown that my hair was getting damaged every day. So I started not only oiling my hair, but also I changed my shampoo. So I started with this Absolute Repair, and it is actually working wonders on my hair. My hair have actually repaired a lot. It has got this softness back, and there are a lot of things, a lot of split ends that I have come over. So there is a lot of benefits from this shampoo, and above all, its fragrance is really good. And I don't know why, but I absolutely love this shampoo. And it really helps in my repair. It helps repairing my hair for sure. So I use this product no matter what. And I am usually not a brand conscious person, brand loyal actually. So I like to switch on to different things, and I like trying new stuff. But when it comes to shampoo, I hardly change my shampoo frequently. So this is like my bestest ever, and I'm still using it. So you can imagine, if I haven't changed the shampoo for like almost more than a year now, so it must be working wonders on my hair. So yes, this is again a new product. Moving on to the next product. So I got this again, another product from L'Oreal Professional, that is Liss Unlimited Pro Keratin Mask. So after I'm done with my shampoo, I always apply mask on every time I shampoo my hair. So this is the mask I use. So there was this one hair expert which told me that it's always advisable that if you are using a shampoo, for example I'm using an Absolute Repair shampoo, so with that I should also target and focus on my another problem, that is frizz. So if I'm using a shampoo of Absolute Repair, I can use a mask of a Liss Unlimited, that is frizz free, so that it can help you fight two problems at the same time, and it actually works, guys. So you can actually do it. So this is the mask that I always apply after I am done with my shampoo. So this is a very important step in my routine. And this, if I talk about, it is priced at 820 rupees, and I got it at the same price, no discount again. I got it for 820 rupees only. So the next product that comes out from my box is the Sanfi Foldable Pretty Face Razor. Uncover your most radiant self, 5-in-1 eyebrow, upper lips, peach fuzz, chin, hair, bikini line. So I'll just show you how it looks, the packaging. This is how the packaging of the product looks, and if I talk about the price of this product, then it is priced at rupees 399. I again got it for 399, no discounts. But the best part is it has 3 units in it and it is foldable. So I would like to open it for you guys. So that's how this product looks like, and I will surely be doing a tutorial of it, how to use this to remove your hair. So these are the 3 razors that are there in it, and there is also this cover to cover it, so you can actually cover it. And I will surely be giving you doing a tutorial on it, how to use these brushes, these razors, and how we can wash it and everything about it, XYZ. So you can surely wait for this product to go as a tutorial. So moving on to the next product is Nykaa Essentials Nail Buffer Polish and Shine. So it is priced at 110 rupees and I got it for 110 rupees only, no discount again. So I'll just quickly open it. So nails are a very important part of our life, especially for a girl, because who doesn't want good nails in their life? So it has 2 units in it, if I'm not wrong. So there are 2 units in it, and it has a buffer and a shine. So what exactly is it? With a buffer you can actually remove all the particles and make your skin tone a rougher side. So that's how it looks. So when you buff your nails and then when you shine it, it comes out to be an amazing thing. It feels like you have that natural gradient and shine on your nails. So buffer is something that I absolutely important for me, and it's always advisable to take a pack which has more than one, because when you buff your nails it tends to lose its roughness at some point in time. So you keep changing it, or you have to change it anyway, because if there is no roughness, then what's the point? So this is also another product that came out from my box. So moving on, there are 2 products left in my box now. So the first is this one. So it's Nykaa Color and Care Nail Enamel, and it says breathable all over its lid, I would say. That's how the product looks like, and I think I prefer summery shades, like light shades in summers, because it's more of a summer season. So I like light shades. So this is the product that I ordered, and it costed me 199 because Nykaa nail paints costed on 199 only. So this is again, it's in the shade Minty Fresh, that is 329 is the number of this product. So I will obviously show you how this looks. And now last but not the least is a makeup product, and that is from Sugar Cosmetics, and it's Contour de Force Mini Bronzer 02 Woody Wonder. So basically it's a contour. So I'll just show you the packaging of this product first. That's how the product packaging looks, and it is priced at rupees 399. Again, no discount at all. But I love bronzers and contouring stuff, because I really do not have that sharp jawline. So I intend to do a lot of contouring to maintain that jawline. So this is the product that I use. I'll just show you the shade also of this. I hope you can see it now. That's how the product looks. So it's a very deep and dark shade, and I have already tried this product once. I bought it from my friends in one of the parties, I don't remember, but yes, so from that day till now I wanted to get this product. So I'll just swatch it on my, basically it gives you a deep tone, and I always wanted something that just give a very light contouring on my face, so that it doesn't look like a makeup and it looks natural. So I wanted to get this product badly, and finally I have got it. So this was the last thing that I got from this Nykaa haul. So guys, these were the few products that I got from Nykaa this time, and I really love using these products, and about 2-3 products that I've already mentioned that I'm gonna be doing a tutorial out of it, so I will definitely do it as soon as I can. So this was my Nykaa haul. So just in case you know any websites or any pages and you want to try those pages but you're not sure about it, do let me know in the comment section below, or maybe you can DM it to me on Instagram. My Instagram handles are Tanya Katta and Tanya Katta Makeovers. You can definitely DM it to me. If you want me to take up any product reviews or unboxing or any haul videos, or apart from that, if you want me to do any makeup tutorial in particular that you guys are interested in, then I would definitely gonna take it up only for you. And because obviously, why am I working, why am I doing all this? Because I want me to share my experience with you, and so that just in case you think that you have any doubts, then you can obviously clear it out. And there are a lot of things that I might do wrong, so this is the only platform where you guys can correct me. So if you think that you have anything that you want to tell it to me, then I would definitely gonna love to take your feedback. So this was it for today. Thanks for watching, guys, and please keep supporting, keep loving. And if you think you like my video, then please do like, comment, share, and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And यार प्लीज़ यार ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों के साथ शेयर करो, एंड प्लीज़ जल्दी से 1000 सब्सक्राइबर्स करा दो, एंड देन वी विल डेफिनेटली गोना डू अ गिव अवे, अ वेरी गुड एंड वेरी नाइस गिव अवे. Till then, keep watching, keep supporting. Love you guys. Bye.